Hey everybody, so I decided to have my wife, who knows very little about sports and even less about sports memorabilia, to pull my orders and guess the selling prices. So let's see how she does. All right, Miss Flips, we have a vintage 1980s Philadelphia Eagles Avon bottle. And as resellers know, Avon bottles are the most desirable of all the perfume bottles in the collectible world.
How's the perfume?
I don't know, it's empty, but they're not desirable.
I see.
Yeah. So, what do you think that one sold for?
30.
$15.99. $15.99.
I thought that would go for more. That's kind of interesting.
The same person bought two sets of 11 Philadelphia Eagles Swizzle Sticks. Swizzle Sticks. So there's 22 altogether. They bought two sets of 11. I want you to guess price per set. So set of 11.
10.
$10 for each set of 11. $39.99 for each set of 11.
Wow.
So $80 in Swizzle Sticks.
That's crazy.
Yeah, people like their birds.
Yeah, that's nice. And they're going to put that old dirty Swizzle Stick in a current drink?
You can clean them. It's good for an Eagles tailgate.
Whatever.